this is how she rolls. She is an amazing cook, and she is cooking up, what do you got, fish tacos today?
Yes, very clean, allergen-free fish tacos, okay?
She is also the CEO of Goop, celebrating its 10th year. All right, so these are fish tacos, but they're not made with corn tortillas. What are the tacos?
Well, interestingly enough, corn can be an allergen for some people. And so if you're on a program where you're really trying to clean out, I was like, you know, testing all these recipes, and I was on a kind of a detox, like super clean, to really try to get motivated, like what do I want to eat? And,
right.
Because sometimes constraints like help you be really creative with recipes, right?
Exactly. Necessity is the mother of invention.
Well, thank you. That was much better said than how I said it. But I was like, I will kill someone for a taco right now, but I couldn't have one. So one of my food editors actually came up with this brilliant idea of making a taco shell out of jicama.
Yeah.
But there's something about like picking up a taco and eating it
with
that
your
psychologically
hands.
you're like, I'm not on a detox plan.
I'm not detoxing. I'm rolling with taco night.
Before I put my fish in,
Yeah.
I just squeeze some nice fresh lime on some beautiful purple cabbage, just as a little, for some crunch and some acidity.
You know, a lot of the diets in here, not diets, but cleanses, they had overlapping ingredients, and Christopher's Vegetables, like, what was in like 5 out of 6 of them, no?
Yeah. We love some good veggies at Goop. Okay, this is ready.
They're gorgeous. She has her toppings.
I gotta put my onions.
All right, so he's your foodie buddy.
He loves to cook. He loves to be in the kitchen. He's just the sweetest.
So he'll try anything. He'll cook anything.
He's a very open eater. Right. Apple is
less of an open eater.
She's still writing her music, and you know,
she's a young singer-songwriter.
She's a young singer-songwriter. I'm just gonna put some cumin and lime in my aquafaba.
Yeah, I love these tacos. Look gorgeous, by the way, and I think that's what's fun about this. It's that mental fake out, you know, that you're eating something that's not so great for you, that you associate with like being a little bad for you, Tuesday taco night or whatever. Right. But really, it's delicious and lovely and light.
Okay, I'm getting my tea, and then I'm coming to sit with you.
Another thing happened since I saw you last.